Alright, y'all, today was a beautiful day. I literally just got done with the trade. As you guys can see, I won. We made around $1,000 today. Um, and yeah, it was a phenomenal day today. It was a great day. I'm gonna be going over exactly how I did it. Going into today, I was bullish, right? I wanted us to sweep these lows into this 1 hour and then continue up towards these highs to then reverse down further. Um, um, and so yeah, that's what I wanted to be. I was extremely bullish, right? But I was really open to anything, right? Because if we're being honest here, we're really just consolidating. So as soon as I see price, and I'm gonna just be honest, bro, I have not been trading NAS lately, bro. NAS is just not it, dude. US30 freaking rips, dude. Yeah, so I don't know where I was. Originally I was bullish, but after I saw that we just kept on going up, right? We went up past this fair value gap. I was like, okay, right. And we swept one key thing here. So we swept all of these highs right here. So I was like, okay, we're probably gonna sweep these highs to end up going lower, to then do what I wanted us to do, to sweep all these relatively lows, come into this 1 hour, and then continue up, which it looks like we're about to do. But um, what I was doing is I was marking out all of these highs right here. Why? Because you could argue that, like, if this candle would have closed up here, you could have argued that was a break of structure, a market structure shift, whatever, right? So I marked out all these highs to really see, okay, it's a sweep of liquidity. Price reacted off of this certain point. It reacted aggressively, and what did it do? It reacted aggressively. Now, here's the key part to this trade, and this is why having the 30-second time frame is so important. I would have never caught this trade, or I'd be in right here. I'd be in right here if I didn't have the 30-second time frame, right? Which, the trade still would have banged, right? We still would have hit full TP, but it's not nearly as it's not nearly as precise as this 30-second one. Okay, so we swept all those highs. We're not really in anything because these are external highs, so I'm not looking for it to deliver from anything, right? All I'm looking for is a strong reaction like we had here, right? And then I'm just looking for that 30-second inversion, which what do we get? We get the 30-second inversion right here. This is my entrance, or this is my enter. I enter right here. My stop. This one's weird. This one isn't, like, I don't know why the data just doesn't match up sometimes, but that's where I entered off of. I had my stop like at the wick, I think, and my like, you guys see that my stop loss got edged. My stop loss got edged. I was risking around $500. My stop loss was one or two ticks away from getting hit. Luckily, it didn't. It ended up hitting full TP. Why was my TP placed right here? I traded London and I made $300, and with the consistency to pass the Lucid, I needed $1,000. That's all I needed. So I set my take profit at $1,000, and bang, we freaking banged it. So, with that being said, that is today's trade recap. As you guys can see, I could have held it so much longer, but I didn't because the 1,000 is all I need. I'm practicing on being detached from the money. and just trusting God with the trades, um, and just really learning that God is in control of everything. And even if I were to lose my trade today, I know for a fact that I still have a model that works, and I can trust in him, and that I would win tomorrow. So, yeah, that is the trade recap today. It was a very easy trade, and yeah, that's pretty much all I can give you. So, if you guys enjoyed this, leave a thumbs up, comment, whatever, and I'll get back to you guys later. Other than that, see ya.